how to delete a sheet in Google Sheets. If you want to get rid of a certain sheet and the whole sheet on Google Sheets because you might have created multiple ones, it is fairly simple to do so. First of all, open your browser and go to that certain sheet that you'd like to delete. Here you can see multiple sheets over here. You can see a little drop down arrow right next to that sheet. When you click on it, you'll find many options. So you want to simply go to the option that says delete sheets. It will ask you for a confirmation if you would like to delete that particular sheet. So if that is exactly what you want, you can just hit the delete button by clicking the OK option, and that particular sheet will be deleted. That's all it takes for us to delete a sheet in Google Sheets. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.